President Trump himself, though in the Middle East, just posted a couple lengthy screeds about this Supreme Court hearing today with a dubious history lesson on the origins of birthright citizenship. But he's certainly believing that this is something that does need to be overturned, Chuck. He's suggesting that this is not for people, quote, taking vacations to become permanent citizens of the United States. He brings back to the Civil War where it comes from. But he believes this is open for interpretation and overturning.
At least among legal scholars, that would be the minority view, to put it mildly, Jonathan. That doesn't mean he's ultimately wrong. The Supreme Court will determine whether or not he's right or wrong. But if I can give a little bit of history.
Sure. So, I mean, the precedent for this goes back, hell, 150 years, 140 years?
1898.
Yeah.
When the Supreme Court decided a case called Wong Kim Ark.
Right.
And in Wong Kim Ark, this gentleman was the child of the permanent resident people of Chinese descent. And the Supreme Court said, based on the reading of the 14th Amendment, passed just 30 years earlier in 1868, he was subject to the jurisdiction of the United States by being born in this country to those parents. So 14th Amendment goes back to 1868. Supreme Court precedent goes back to 1898, and that's been our understanding ever since. Could it change? It could change. Might President Trump be proved right? He might be proved right, but it is absolutely distinctly the minority view.